everyone! Welcome back to 1466's weekly recaps. I'm Keely, and today I will be taking you through the trenches of our first week. After our kickoff weekend, prototyping came in at full force. We decided after reviewing the game rules that we wanted a swerve drive, a fixed hooded launcher, the ability to traverse the bump, and a climb. Prototyping attempted to create an L3 climb that could trench, but we haven't yet figured out combining the climb reach with robot height limits. For our launcher and spin indexer, we are testing ideas and managing compression and force within the launcher itself. CAD has been experimenting with the climbers, including a spring hook design. Business has been creating thank you posts for our awesome sponsor who make all of this possible. Mechanical has constructed a bump, trench, hub, and tower, and media has been keeping up with reels and posting what's going on in the lab. On the outreach side of things, our team has been working on our impact script, helping students at Pond Gap Elementary, and working with our Webb FLL teams as they prepare for their SumoBot Invitational at Atomic City. Going forward, we have our strategy freeze on Monday the 19th, and robot CAD and construction will begin after that. See you guys then!